How to speak to your elderly parents about their estate. I'm going to give you 2 questions today. These are questions that will allow you to gently move into the conversation. A lot of times, your parents will hold information back from you, either because they don't want to face their mortality, or they don't want to think about it, or they don't want you to know how they're going to divide their assets, or maybe they haven't even had a plan. So 2 ways to approach this up. The first one would be, if you're a male, you could say in this way, because I'm a male and I have a wife, mom, dad, I went to the estate planning attorney with Dina, and we spoke about what to do. We learned information about a will. We learned information about a trust. We learned that there are other important documents like a power of attorney or a healthcare proxy or a living will. Do you and dad have something set up? Have you ever spoken to an attorney about this? And for good measure, you could say, well, speak to my attorney, Frank Bruno. But that's a gentle way, right? You explain that you've learned about this subject. You and your spouse recognize the importance of this topic, and you'd like to know if your parents had ever spoken about it. It's one way. A different approach might be you recount a circumstance, a tale, a situation that happened in your own home. Something like, it was so terrible when Uncle Ben passed away and he left Aunt May with a financial mess. How about you and Dad? That made me think to do this type of plan for myself, or it made me think to organize my assets, take hold of what I have and where it is and what to do. Maybe make sure that both spouses are aware of what the assets are, where they are, what needs to be done, and how they would carry on without the other. Those are 2 ways that you can speak to your elderly parents about having a plan. I'll give you more in the future.